In English, both shall and will talk about the future, but they don't mean exactly the same thing. Let's find out why. Here we have shall and will. Shall is used for polite, polite, polite offers, polite suggestions. And will is used for future, 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 future actions, future intentions, future predictions. Now we are going to answer these questions. Number 1. Blank, we go for a walk after lunch. What is the answer? Shall or will? Here we have a polite suggestion. For suggestions, we must use shall. We say, shall we go for a walk after lunch? Number 2. I think it blank rain tomorrow. Which one do we have? Action, intention, prediction, or suggestion? Here we have prediction. For prediction, we must use will. Number 3. Blank, I open the window for you. You know that we have a polite offer. For them, we must use shall. Shall I open the window for you? Number 4. Don't worry. I blank call you when I arrive. Which one do you use, shall or will? Here we have intention. For future intentions, we use will. We say, don't worry, I will call you when I arrive. Number 5. Blank, we start the meeting now or wait for others. Obviously, here we have a suggestion. For a polite suggestion, we must use shall. We say, shall we start the meeting now or wait for others? Number 6, she blank be very happy to hear this news. Which one do we have? Offer, action, prediction. Yes, here we have prediction. Because we predict someone will be very happy to hear the news. For predictions, we use will. Number 7, blank, I help you with your homework. It's obvious that here we have a polite offer. For offers, we use shall. Number 8. They blank travel to Japan next summer. What do we have here? Intention, action, suggestion, or prediction? Here, we are talking about a future action. For them, we use will. Number 9. Blank, we order some coffee while we wait. What is the answer? Shall or will? Here we have suggestion. So we must use shall. Number 10. He blank finished the project by Friday. Which one do you use? Shall or will? Here we have prediction. So the answer is will. We say he will finish the project by Friday. Number 11. Your future house blank look like mine. What is the answer? Again, here we have prediction. So we must use will. Your future house will look like mine. To learn about the grammar of like and its difference with as, watch the next video. Number 12. You blank see the results soon. I promise. Here the answer is will. But why? Which one do we have? Offer, action, intention, or prediction? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any grammar lesson. Goodbye.